25 mm. Leaves hair 1/100th. 99% bacteria-free. Shockproof. Removable filter. Oster Professional blades are produced from the finest high-carbon steel and handcrafted to our rigorous standards, providing unparalleled precision and performance. Furthermore, our US-made blades are hardened to RC 62-66, Rockwell Scale C, in-house prior to receiving a cryogenic treatment which further enhances the hardening process. The blade cutting surfaces are then sharpened, finished and tested with proven Oster proprietary processes, ensuring ultra-sharp blades that continue to stand the test of time. Available in multiple sizes for various cutting lengths and maximum versatility. Directions. Oster Size 0000 cuts close to shaving. Leaves hair 1/100th, 0.25 mm. Oster item number 76918-016, Accessory Blade Fits. Classic 76 Clipper, Titan, Power-Teq, Star-Teq, PowerLine, Solaris Apex Clippers. Top reviews from the United States. Close and clean. Oster does not disappoint. Clipper blade provides a crisp, clean cut. Easy to change. Easy to maintain.